remember the area of a triangle formula. Triangle formula आप कैसा आसानी से remember कर सकते हैं without mistake, so that you can write in the board exam. First you write down half modulus and write x y minus y, x y minus y, x y minus y 3 times. ठीक है, 3 times you need to write it. After writing, you see here, after 1 what you are going to get? 2, after 2 3, again 1. So it's like cycle, right? So first you write here 1, 2, 3. Am I clear? After writing this 3 times, you write down in the place of x 1, 2, 3. Now use this cycle. After 1 you are going to get 2, after 2 3. Then again after 2 you will be having 3, after 3 again 1. Cycle, okay? 1 here. After 3, 3 is here. After 3 what is there? 1. 1. After 1 you are going to write 2. Like this you can remember the area of a triangle formula, which is very important formula. It is from chapter 7, coordinate geometry. Thank you. If you understand, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.